dizziness, fatigue, confusion, memory loss. These are just a few of the many symptoms college athletes receive after a concussive traumatic brain injury. A college athlete's goal is to give it their all, no matter the circumstance. Here at Sacred Heart University, the athletic training department is conducting a study on the lacrosse team to gain more knowledge on these sports-related head injuries.
Can I have your helmet? All of your helmets! I need all of your helmets! All of them!
Every Thursday, players leave their helmets with Professor Teresa Miyashita, Program Director for the Athletic Training Department.
So the purpose of the study is that we are going to monitor impacts on our lacrosse players throughout the season via these accelerometer sensors. The accelerometer sensor is inside of the helmets, and so it's going to measure the amount and quality of impact that all the lacrosse players will receive from any impact they sustain, whether it be from practices or games, and then we're going to correlate that data to computer-based neurocognitive testings, SCAT-3 assessments, IQ assessments, depression, anxiety screens, drug and alcohol dependency screens, and previous medical histories as well. We're missing helmets.
The athletic training students plug in the helmets to charge and then help Teresa log the data into the computer.
We're charging the entire team today because they leave going away in this weekend, and then when the sensors are all charged, then we'll upload the data into our computer. The sensor will actually just detect linear Gs. It'll give us a Hicks score, rotational, degrees per seconds. What we actually did then is in the beginning of January is when we baseline tested them on the other variables. And so we'll have scores from all those variables. We'll correlate that information to the impacts and we'll post-test all of the guys.
The sensor provides Teresa with important data.
We get the exact location of where the player was hit, and then it also gives us this Hicks score, which is head impact criteria. And so a Hicks score is basically a measurement of not only the linear impact, so that G number, but how long of a duration that impact was sustained for.
It's going really well. Getting some really good data from you boys.
If players have any questions or concerns about their recent concussions, this computer data program allows the athletic training department to explain and analyze what went on.
Remember we discussed before?
Yeah.
And we see this number now? That was the first one. And then you sustain a second one, albeit slightly less G's, slightly less Hicks score, but we were within 30 seconds.
It's pretty interesting to see the data and hear about the data after practice and stuff like that. It's gonna be interesting for us freshmen because it's gonna be 4 years, so it's gonna be interesting to see at the end of our 4 years how it all turns out.
As the lacrosse team ends their season, additional studies on female athletes has begun.
We're definitely open to testing other teams. Ice hockey is another population that I would really like to start investigating because, again, not a whole lot's been done on ice hockey, especially female ice hockey. And so if we can then start to tap in the populations that we have here at Sacred Heart, that would be very advantageous to our research.
Current research has shown that there is no piece of protective equipment to prevent a concussion. Helmet manufacturers are interested in this study at Sacred Heart. They hope to use these results to better their equipment and to decrease the severity of the injuries. Reporting for Sacred Heart News, I'm Amanda Saliano in Fairfields, Connecticut.